Come with me as I Sunday reset. Kids are at the grandparents, so I'm just going to go through the house and do some chores. Washing my daughter's bed sheets, and my son had outgrown his pajamas, so we got him some new ones, so of course those also have to be washed. The next thing I do is go room to room. I vacuum, I tidy up, and then I see what little things also need my extra attention. I consider this more light cleaning, but I still vacuum, and let's say something had spilled on the floor, I'm going to go through and just clean it up. My house was built in the 1950s, and it has an old house smell, so I just go through and spray the couches. Moving on to the kitchen, again, I'm going to tidy up and vacuum. I'm just going to quickly glance over what needs my extra attention and what I did not get to this week. Once the kitchen was all nice and clean, I of course had to put a festive scent in the air just so that it feels nice and cozy, and here is the kitchen all completed. During this time, I noticed the sheets in my son's pajamas were still not dry. It was a really nice day today, so I thought, why not go for a little jog and walk? I was really proud of myself and did over a mile. Today, I also wanted to switch out my children's toys, so here I am showing that I ended up switching out some of their toys. My son has been loving shapes, so I got this back out, and I also found another activity where he can stick shapes, which are the carrots in the holes. Just showing the other activities that he can also build on and play with. And of course, nothing says Sunday reset like laundry. So I'm going to show the laundry I had to put away. I am so bad about laundry, I'm not even going to lie, but I put it away and I also made the bed. I set out a nice new pair of pajamas for myself, and I'm going to go through and vacuum all of the bedrooms while I'm still waiting for the stuff to dry. Vacuumed my room, my daughter's room, and my son's room. So that was all done, just showing that his room is all completed. And then I decided to take a shower because I was still waiting on the sheets. Yay, her sheets are finally done. So I made her bed and I put her favorite teddy there for her. She also loves these pajamas, so I laid these out for her and washed them, and also showing that I laid out my son's sleep sack and his favorite blanket. And that is my Sunday reset. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful week.